High ticket versus low ticket affiliate marketing, the age-old question. In this video, I look to settle this debate once and for all. I know a thing or two about selling high ticket affiliate products and low ticket affiliate products because I've been doing this for 5 years and I have a mix of both. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of each one, and I'm going to tell you the one that I recommend the most. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now a lot of you know that previously, if you look back at my own channel and if you're subscribed and you've been watching for a while, you know that I've always said high ticket is better. High ticket is better. It's the same amount of work. You're doing high ticket. You get more profit from it, etc., etc. It just works, okay? But there is such a thing as shifting economies, shifting time frames, shifting markets, shifting everything. So you have to be able to pay attention to those things. And I'm one of those people that watch markets very, very closely. I watch trends. I watch what's going on. Some of it BS, some of it not. So I pay very close attention. Like the rise of all these gurus on YouTube teaching stuff that they don't actually do. That's a big, big trend that I want to stay away from. I don't want to do it. If you subscribe to this channel right here, I only teach stuff I've ever done. There was a few videos that I tried to experiment doing that, but my God, I hate doing that stuff. Okay, so everything that's on this channel is tried and true and tested. Other gurus, they teach you a bunch of, stuff that gives you those dopamine spikes. Ooh, I can make $1 million in a week. Nonsense, okay? Some of these gurus, they crack me up with their videos. I made 40K in 2 minutes, and I have this new tactic, and it's constant, a new video, and they're not doing any of that stuff. I know it for a fact, okay? They're not doing any of that. What they're doing is they're teaching you how to do it so that they can make all the money. But that beside the point, okay? I don't want to get off track. That just really irks me and makes me angry. But high ticket versus low ticket. Now let's get back to this because I've always recommended high ticket, and I still do think high ticket is a great idea. I think that a lot of times high ticket can really set you free and get you out of your 9 to 5 and do all that stuff. But there's a big caveat to that. But high ticket also takes a lot more time, meaning producing content, getting an audience to know, like, and trust you, really building a brand, really putting yourself out there. You almost have to show your face on camera if you're one of those people that are kind of scary about showing your face on camera. You almost have to with high ticket because people aren't just going to shell over $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 and they don't even know who they're dealing with. They don't trust you, don't know anything about you. You're not willing to share your story. It's a higher skill set, and you have to get really personal and really down and dirty with people. In the affiliate franchise, my program where we take clients one-on-one and we teach them, we teach clients that if you're going to do high ticket, you have to get very personal with people. You even sometimes have to jump on calls with people. It's very, very, very nuanced and very skilled. And also you have to be willing to put yourself out there because, again, people aren't going to throw thousands of dollars at something and they have no trust in it. They have no faith in it. They don't know who you are. They don't know who I am. They don't know anything. Okay, so it's very, very difficult. This is why I share so much of my own story on this channel, because I do have high ticket products and services, and I do want you guys to know, like, and trust me, and to know, hey, that guy's legit. He told his story. He's telling the truth every time he puts out a video. He doesn't hold anything back. I'm always very transparent with you guys, and that's why high ticket can work for somebody like me, because there has to be a very, very well established trust thing going on there. There has to be. I have to trust someone if I'm going to shell out thousands of dollars for something. So because of that, if you're a beginning affiliate marketer, it could take time. If your main product is some high ticket thing, could take a lot of time to really build an audience that really trusts you. So I don't always recommend that for a beginner. I know it's shocking to hear me say that because I've always been a big proponent of high ticket from day one, but I've seen things shift. I've seen things change. I've seen this whole high ticket affiliate marketing thing become crazy, super oversaturated to where every guru under the sun says high ticket. They all sell a high ticket thing. They say you're some kind of a loser or a bad person if you do low ticket. And I think that it's gotten way, way out of control. Okay. I honestly really do think it's gotten way out of control. Now, here's another one of the big, big cons of high ticket. No other guru is ever going to tell you this. Okay. So make sure you watch this next part for me to reveal one of the biggest problems with high ticket affiliate marketing. Are you ready? Here we go. But before I do reveal that, make sure you smash that like button, that thumbs up underneath this video. It does me a big favor. It does everyone else on YouTube a big favor. So we could take down these gurus and we could push this video out more so people can start hearing the truth about this kind of stuff. Now, I want to reiterate while I have you here, again, I am still a big fan of high ticket. It's very profitable. For things, if you're going to run ads, for example, it gives you a lot of space in between, your expenses with ads and ad spend and being able to break even and make profits. And it's all numbers. It's a big numbers game, okay? I am a big proponent of high ticket, but there's one part about high ticket that always irks me, pisses me off, makes me angry, and I absolutely hate it. And one of the things you need to think about, okay? Come in a little bit closer. Let me talk to you, okay? One of the big things with high ticket is that, let's say I'm going month to month. Let's say that my goal with affiliate marketing is to make 10K per month. It's a nice round number that almost everybody out there in internet land says, I want to make 10K per month. The guru said I'm going to make 10K per month in 60 days. And blah, 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 right? Everyone says that. Everyone wants that. But I've made 10K per month and beyond. I'm at the point where I'm making 50K per month. And I'm telling you this, you can make that amount of money per month, okay? But with high ticket, it is a one-time flat fee, one-time commission. Boom, it happens once and you never see it again. So let's say you sell a product or something, right, that pays you $2,000 commissions every time you sell it. Great. So that means that you only have to sell 5 of them every month in order to make your high ticket commissions goal every month, 10K, right? So that sounds great. It's like, oh man, I can do that. I can achieve that. I can sell 5 things, right? But here's the big downside. I've been doing this for years and I love spending time with my kids, spending time with my family, going out to, restaurants, not necessarily fancy restaurants. We like steakhouses and stuff like that. We like to do regular family stuff. But most of the time, I got into affiliate marketing to have freedom. Now, give me a comment down in the comment section down below if you got into affiliate marketing for freedom, or what did you get into affiliate marketing for? What did you want? You didn't want to just leave your job and make 10K per month. You didn't want to have a job anymore, right? You wanted freedom. And the problem with high ticket, even though it's so great and it's so wonderful and it makes all this money and everything, the business model itself is so that you get a one-time commission and now you have to work even more to get the next one and the next one and the next one and the next one. And it really becomes one of those old-fashioned cartoons where the guy's riding on the back of the donkey with a carrot, hanging from a fishing line, and the donkey's just moving forward. You're chasing the carrot. You're the donkey in that situation. I'm the donkey, okay? For a long time, I exclusively just did high ticket and nothing else, and I felt like every single month when I would make 10K, 15, 20K, the previous month, oh man, had a great month, paid all the bills, got a new car, got something. It was wonderful, but now this month, when I look at my commissions, when I look at my affiliate dashboard, I start at goose eggs. I'm starting all over again at 0. So all of the work I did last month, I have to do it again. Now there's an exception to this rule, and that's right here on YouTube. If you have some kind of a passive method of getting traffic like I do here on YouTube, where your YouTube videos keep on growing and growing and growing and growing an audience, that's one thing. But a lot of affiliate marketers aren't doing that. They're doing the whole blogging thing where it takes forever. They're doing short form content on TikTok, on Facebook Reels, Instagram posting, you name it. All of these are not leveraged and passive ways of making money. They're not passive ways of getting leads. And therefore, once you make a commission, you have to post even more, and then even more, and then even more. And I want to tell you something. I want to ask you, what if you get sick? What if you want to take a week off? What if you get burnt out, as I have many, many times, and you just don't want to deal with it? You don't want to do it. You don't want to sit at your computer for 8 to 10 hours a day. You don't want to do that stuff, right? You don't want to sit there in Facebook DMs messaging people all day, every day. You want to enjoy time with your family and sit down, have dinner, and relax. So that's the biggest problem with high ticket, is that it becomes a new job. Yes, a very lucrative job, but it becomes a new job. And if you're anything like me, you got into affiliate marketing for total freedom, to have that freedom of time, to have that ability to take vacations, not worry about, where are the bills getting paid? Is everything okay at home? All this stuff. You don't have to worry about it, right? So what I recommend to people in the program now, and to you guys, what I plan on focusing mostly on, I've been focusing on this for the last 6 months or so. I've been taking some of my time and some of my promotions into recurring income, recurring lower ticket income. We've all seen the news. We all know in the United States, and there's a lot of parts in the world where inflation's going insane. People can't afford things. Everyone's losing their minds, and they're worried about, am I going to be able to keep my job? My job's not even keeping the lights on, and we have to be able to adjust. We have to be able to adjust. If we're affiliate marketers, if we're coaches, whatever our role is in in this world, we have to be able to adjust to that and listen to the marketplace, right? So me on this kick of let's do a recurring income thing, let's sell like software. A lot of the software is now that I'm promoting, System.io and Get Response and things like that. A lot of the software that I doubled down in promoting, they're now paying me a few $1,000s per month. But the beauty of that is I don't have to work harder, okay? I don't start the next month at zero. Instead, I have this baseline of income almost guaranteed to come in from the previous month. So that way your income as an affiliate marketer is like clockwork. And you can take the day off. You can take a week off. I've enjoyed more and more free time with my kids, with my family, being able to spend on vacations and going and see wrestling shows and things like that if you follow me on Facebook. And we're having a good time, and mostly because I've switched my philosophy to more of a recurring income, recurring affiliate commissions. To me, they make more sense because every month I generally, mostly know how much I'm going to make. It might be a little more, it might be a little less. People cancel their subscriptions and things like that. But for the most part, it's almost always the same, right? It almost always stays the same. So if I have a baseline of like 8,000, I can depend on that. Every month I'm going to see something similar to 8,000. Maybe 7 one month, maybe 9, but I don't have to keep working harder and harder and harder to constantly go and catch and kill my prey, quote unquote, right? For a high ticket, constantly high ticket, high ticket, high ticket. Instead, if I focus on the recurring income, yeah, it might take a little bit longer, right? Because you have to get more people into your program, into your software, into whatever it is that you're promoting, right? You have to get more people to make those numbers make sense. But once you get there, it becomes this baseline income of just, oh, I can relax. And what you have at that point is you have freedom. You have actual freedom. You don't actually have to keep showing up if you don't want to. You can turn this computer off. I can leave this office completely dark and never revisit it again. My income's going to stay exactly the same or mostly the same over time. So I highly recommend in 2023, high ticket is still awesome. I'm not saying don't promote that. If you have the, occasional email that you send out and you're an affiliate marketer, you want to shoot out some high ticket thing, go ahead. But I'm telling you what I'm focused on and what we at the affiliate franchise are focused on is recurring, maybe lower to mid ticket offers, right? A few $100s per month or whatever that fit what's happening in the marketplace now. People can no longer afford the high ticket stuff. A lot of people are really in a scarcity mindset. They're concerned about where the direction that the world is heading, and we always want to help people and meet people where they're at. So even at the affiliate franchise, we're looking at recurring models, right? We're looking at monthly recurring models where people can just cancel anytime and get the help that they need, and we get them on their feet. Give me a comment in the comment section below if you're interested in the affiliate franchise at a recurring monthly model rather than the high ticket, because we've been thinking about this for a long time, and I believe that we have actually gotten together as a team, all the coaches, and decided this is probably the best route to go. It makes the most economic sense from our standpoint, not having to constantly chase down a new lead and a new lead and a new lead, but also what it does is it changes the focus, right? This is the best part for you. It changes the focus of the program, of the coaching, of the mentoring, of the done for you and everything that we do. It changes the focus from we always have to get a new lead, a new lead, a new lead, and constantly focus on selling and selling and selling the way a lot of gurus do. We don't want to become that. We don't like that. We want to focus on serving and serving and serving. So in order to keep you paying every single month, it's a win-win. In order to keep you paying, we have to make sure you A, make money, and that you B, really enjoy and love the program and the support we give you. So that changes the focus instead of from selling all the time and selling all the time and selling all the time to, okay, let's focus on serving all the time. Let's focus on making sure that they love the program. That way, month over month over month over month, we keep seeing the same or growing income. And also, we're able to meet them where they are. We're able to make sure that they can afford the program, okay? So that being said, that's it for this video, and watch the next video right down here on this channel. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.